Well, hello everybody. My name's Alan and I like talking about electrics. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Pythagoras. Okay, so Pythagoras, what's all this about? In the UK, when you start going into level 3, or in Ireland when you go into phase 4, Pythagoras comes into play. Why? You've done your Ohm's law. You know about Ohm's law. You know about resistance. Once you go into AC theory, you go into these other words: reactance, impedance. Okay, and you can't just add them up one to the other. You have to add them up using Pythagoras theorem. So that's what this is about. A bit of background on this guy. This guy was around 500 years before Christ. Great thinker, credited with influencing Plato, Socrates. You've heard of him, right? Aristotle, all these people. He was around before these guys, and mathematician, great thinker. Research him, Google. Okay, so what's it all about? This is Pythagoras theorem. All right, we'll do a little triangle here. It says A, B, C. What it says is A is equal to the square root of B squared plus C squared. Okay, so that looks nice and complicated, right? I break this down because obviously this is complicated. We don't like doing this. We want to make life easy, right? So what we do is we base it on the magic triangle. Okay, so if I get a magic triangle like this, a magic triangle. Why is it a magic triangle? Because the numbers add up nicely. 3, a 4, and a 5. 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, and we'll use this to prove Pythagoras. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll get this side here. I'm going to make it into a square. Okay, so we'll make it into a square, and it always works with sound effects, right? Okay, so if that side's 3, that side's 3. Okay, and 3 times 3 is 9. All right, we'll do this side now. Here we go. You know how it works. So we've got a 4. It's 4 this way. It's 4 this way. All right. 4 times 4, 16. All right. 16. Right. Now we'll do the big side. Right. Okay. So working backwards now. 16 and 9 is 25, yeah? And if you punch 25 into your calculator and press the square root button, you'll get 5, because it's 5 times 5. So basically, this is a picture of this equation. A, the longest side, is the square root of b squared plus c squared. There's your b squared. Here's your sides, a, b, c. There's your b squared. There's your c squared. And there's the square root of your a. That's it, simples. Now, this is all well and good when we've got nice little round figures and we can do the maths, not a big deal. But like if you had like 3.8 and 4.6, then it all starts getting complicated. We need to do it on a calculator, right? So this is where it's very handy, because the modern calculator now makes it a complete doddle. But what we'll do is we'll do the maths now on a calculator on these figures, okay? So here's my trusty little calculator. You'll have one similar at home, normal scientific calculator. I'll just turn it on here now. So this is shifting on. There's my display on. Okay. So I'll do the first. I'll do the sum going one way, then the other way. We'll do the 3 squared plus the 4 squared equals the 5. Dead easy. All you do is hit this key here, which is your square root key, and you literally punch it in. 3 squared plus 4 squared. Hit the equals key. Bingo. 5. Pythagoras proven. Okay. If we wanted to do it the other way and we had the longest side and we wanted the shortest side, then all we do up here is we just do the subtract. Let me demonstrate. Right. So this time we'll go square root. We'll say 5 squared minus 3 squared, let's say. Right. Hit the equals and hopefully we'll get 4. Bingo, there it is. Okay, so Pythagoras, very easy to do. Very easy to do in the classroom, very easy to do in the exams. Happy days. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know the story, like and subscribe. And until next time, keep it safe, Sparkies.